Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Yesterday, of course, on 16/11/2021, the Supreme Court has opened up an important topic and literally warned the center as to why the Pan-India Community Kitchen Policy was not being implemented or was not framed at all. That's the problem. You may be knowing, in the year 2019 itself, the social activists Anun Dhawan and some others, they filed a writ petition before the Honorable Supreme Court of India requesting for the Pan-India policy of starting the community kitchens to avoid or to prevent starvation deaths or to prevent the hunger deaths. Please remember, this is not for malnutrition. That is a separate topic. This is only to prevent the hunger deaths under Article 21 of the Constitution of India, which says the state shall protect the life and personal liberty of each and every individual. So you all know that. Now, basing on the writ petition, an order was given on October 2020, 1 year back, almost 1 year back, by Supreme Court, asking the center to consult the stakeholder states and frame up a pan-India policy as to how to start the community kitchens and supply food to the needy and people who are starving. So that is the main intention. So now and then the cases will be coming, and on 16/11/2021, as usual, this case has come for trial before the CJI bench. So the bench consisting of CJI, Honorable N.V. Ramana, Hema Kohli, and third person CJI, Hema Kohli, and A.S. Bopanna. They held or they recorded unhappiness over the activity of the center and also regarding the affidavit filed by the Under Secretary of the Union Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Food and Administration. Actually, the Supreme Court expected the Principal Secretary to file the affidavit under Section 139 of the CPC, but it was filed by an Under Secretary. You can read the case as Anun Dhawan and others versus Union of India in writ petition number 1103/2013, dated 16/11/2021. So in which they sought the formulation of a pan-India scheme, community kitchen policy. Right. So because the Supreme Court also emphasized that the state has a constitutional duty to ensure that no man or no one dies of hunger. So therefore, Supreme Court asked the center and states to form the so-called policy. But what happened? So they have given a 17 pages affidavit, the Under Secretary, but it contained the information that the center held a virtual meeting with the states and the states there expressed their opinions and things like that. That's all. But there is no policy decision. There is no pro forma that they are going to start the community kitchen or they are not going to start the same. Nothing is there. It has mentioned in this entire 17 pages that they have consulted state of AP. They stated like this. State of Tamil Nadu, they stated like that. Like that, only 17 pages wasteful information was there, but no important information is there. Then, Supreme Court noted that the affidavit does not indicate any formation of the scheme. It is only an extracting information. That's all. That's what it. So it is not. Supreme Court also commented very badly. It is not just like police collect information. What are you doing? How much you have collected? Next, higher officers of the police department, they will be seeking this much information. So Supreme Court has warned lastly, and of course they are unhappy over the filing of affidavit by the Under Secretary also. So additional Solicitor General, she wanted to give some reply, and Supreme Court, since it is not happy immediately, so our Attorney General Sri K.K. Venugopal sir interfered, and he said he sought 3 weeks time to direct the center to frame the so-called community kitchen policy. Why? Because, please remember, in different states there are different schemes for the prevention of the starvation of hunger. For example, in Andhra Pradesh, in 2019 or so, there were Anna canteens. Maybe in some other name, Anna canteens. So they used to give food to the needy people, to the hungry people at the rate of 5 rupees or so, with the help of or with the active role of the peer groups like ISKCON and others. And you know, in Tamil Nadu, Anna Unnavanam or Amma Unnavanam or Amma Canteen, they are very popular. Of course, luckily, Sri CM Stalin, he is also encouraging them. He did not wipe away or he did not discontinue the so-called canteens. In Orissa, there is Ahar Center. In Jharkhand, Mukhyamantri Dal Bhat. In Delhi, Aam Aadmi Canteen. And in Rajasthan, Annapurna Rasoi is there. So many things are there. If pan-India policy is there, definitely people will come. People in need, people in hungry mood, they can go to the canteen and have food, because it is the duty of the state to protect the life of each and every citizen. Very good decision. And Supreme Court has given caustic remarks against the center for filing an affidavit by an undersecretary, and also for repeating the review meeting proceedings in the affidavit, but no policy. So Supreme Court is very serious. So I am sure within 3 months the policy will come and everybody will feel happy. Very good judgment. Please read the writ petition as Anu Dhawan versus Union of India and others. WP number already I have noted. Please 1103 by 2019, disposed on 16/11/2021. Thank you very much.